Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. In this session, you don't have to get anything perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet shoulder width apart, get as tall as you can, and then soften slightly. You can gently soften the knees and hips, soften the waist. And then begin to turn from your waist and your hips, making two loose fists, letting your fists knock against your lower abdomen and your lower back. We call this knocking on the door of life. The door of life is an acupressure point in the lower back, and when we knock on this point, it stimulates the energy throughout the body. The key is to move from your center, letting your shoulders relax, almost as if your arms are empty coat sleeves. And if for any reason this bothers your knees, you can always let the back heel come up when you turn side to side, or you can keep the feet straight ahead and breathe. All right, one more time, and then begin to slow it down, coming back to center, just taking a moment to feel the sensations in the body. And with both hands together, we'll sync the chi. Breathing in, the arms float up, gather in the energy, bring it into the heart. Send it down towards the earth. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, sync the chi. And then from here, the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. Then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up like mist from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door. It's like your arms are resting on a wave in the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. One more time, open the door. And then from here, the arms float all the way up and overhead. Then they open, coming all the way out and around. The palms come towards the lower back or the sides. Then slide the hands down the legs. You can keep a slight bend in the knees. And then just coming down, bend the knees more if you have back issues. Then the hands come forward, coming all the way up and over, out and around. Brushing earth and sky. The hands come down the back, tracing the energy channels down the legs, coming all the way up and over, open. One more time, brushing earth and sky. Coming down, the hands come forward, bending the knees, rising up. And then from here, this hand here lifts the moon into the sky. Palm faces up, palm faces down as it brushes across the water. The other hand lifts the moon right up towards the sky. Palm faces down, brush across, gentle rotation. One more time, lifting the moon. And then from here, both hands float up towards the sky, palms facing up, palms face down, brushing across the water, palms face up as we gaze at the moon. Once again, gentle rotation, never forcing it, just easing in. One more time, gazing at the moon. And then from here, the arms circle all the way around in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the fingertips point up, they come right up the center of the body, and then rotate towards one side, one hand spirals forward, the other behind. Coming back to center, rotate the other way, making the tiger claw. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead, then they spiral out and away, the upward spirals. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and chest, creating space in the spine. One more time, the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, coming all the way up and over, the fingertips point down, coming down the center, and then spiraling out and away. The downward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out. Coming down like big raindrops, coming down to the earth. One more time, the downward spirals. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. Shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in, step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in as you shift back and push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face up, then cross the wrists. They circle, spiraling all the way out and around. Palms face up, scooping under, cross the wrists, and open. Big open. We call this one crossing wrists. All right, one more time. Cross the wrists and then open. Very nice. Step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight as you step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow, really taking your time, feeling all the sensations that you can, bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, palms face up, cross the wrists as you shift forward, and then separate all the way, big open, then scooping under, cross the wrists, and separate. Crossing wrists. All right, one more time. Still breathing. Very nice. Step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down, drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. Shift all your weight over to one side. This time, tap the heel right out in front. Bring it back in. Shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time, tap the heel. The hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel. Hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, hands come out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step back in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. One more time, harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open up wide, and then step in as you catch the moon. This time we'll step out to the side, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand floats down, and then circle it around again. We call this ward off, expanding and lifting. All right, one more time, breathe in, breathe out. This time the bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, and circle it around again, rolling back. Shifting the weights, going with the flow. One more time, roll back. This time we'll toss it away. The arms float out to the sides. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, then shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, we call this one the press. Nice and soft. This time the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Pushing the mountain, breathing in, breathing out one more time. Nice and slow. And then from here, sit back and open. Wipe across the horizon, and take your time as you step in, catch the moon. Step out to the other side, bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. Other hand floats down, circle it around again. Ward off. Tuning into the sensations we normally tune out. One more time. Ward off. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, roll back. Receiving the energy and then giving it back. This time we'll toss it away. The arms float out to the side. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm. Shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, the press. This time the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. This time, sit back and open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time. It's called grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out and ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Fold it in. Press. Release. Draw in and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off. Roll back, toss away, and press. Release, draw in, and push. Sit back, this time hug the tree, bring it to center, and soften. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other, they float up the midline of the body, and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go as we learn to move like water, soft but powerful? Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms circle in front, hug the tree, shift all your weight over to one side and step in, and then step out to the corner, and as you step out, the arms open, the front knee bends. Then shift the weight back, the front knee straightens, cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, keeping the spine long, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward, and open, the butterfly. Keeping the spine long, you don't have to go very low. Hinging from the hips, the arms float out and then back, crossing the wrists and open. One more time on this side, the butterfly. Take a bow, spread the wings, cross the wrists and open. This time, step the front foot back in, hug the tree, shift all your weight over and step in. Step out to the other corner, the arms open, front knee bends. Shift the weight back as you cross the wrists, hinging from the hips. The arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again. Front knee bends, arms open. The butterfly. Once again, keeping the spine nice and long, staying tall, hinging from the hips. Don't have to go low. And then open one more time, the butterfly. Take a bow, flutter the wings. Cross the wrists and open. From here, step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and then the arms open. The arms float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other by the lower abdomen. This hand here floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, Open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. Then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. And today's poem is one that I made called Balance and Peace. Through mindful movements, calm appears, a dance of balance, releasing fears. With every motion, worries cease. In Tai Chi's grace, we find our peace. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch our flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony, 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.